always do a McDonald's. They don't even start their structure match up this McDonald's. Well, I am pretty hungry, so let's get in. What would you like to order? I'm just gonna get my own stuff, thank you. Nothing, no burgers. I just want bag. Ooh, I like my chicken nuggets. $13 would be good. Some cookies. Ooh, now I need my drink. Icy water or milk. Okay, some milk. Now I need some barbecue sauce. Out of barbecue sauce? That can't be. What? No. This can't be happening. Oh my gosh. This was our barbecue sauce. And flip this lever. Goodbye, McDonald's. But you always had to have barbecue sauce. Wait, hold on. Did I break through the void?